it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Aqua, Chalcedony, and hoop earrings. So these are super simple to make. All that it involves is opening up and closing jump rings. So right here I have 4mm open jump rings. They're stainless, and I'm just going to want to put a pair of pliers on one side and a pair of pliers on the other. And these are already open, but I'm just going to gently open them up a little bit more so that I can fit everything on here. So I'm just gonna string on my drop, and then I'm gonna string on the smallest hoop. And then I'm just gonna take my pair of pliers and I'm just gonna twist that back into place so that they line up. And then I personally like the way that 2 jump rings look when you line them up. I just think it has a nicer look. So I'm just gonna do that. So same thing, I'm just going to open up that jump ring a little bit wider. I'm going to attach it to my hoop. And then my drop. And then I'm just going to take my other pliers and twist it back into place. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the other 2 hoops. Once you have your hoops all attached, then you're going to want to attach your ear wire at the top. And for that, you can see that it's open on one side. You're just going to want to put your pliers there and gently twist that open. And then I'm going to string on the hoop. Then I'm going to twist that back into place. And that's it. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.